This is Chicago.
This is Chicago.
Well, actually, a suburb of Chicago. And it is February 2nd, 2011.
And it's Groundhog Day.
It is? Okay.
Yeah.
This is my backyard. There's a car right there that's completely covered in snow.
Daddy.
And there's a little kitty car over there. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's completely covered in snow. And here's my husband out shoveling the snow. He gets the Husband and Father of the Year award. And here are the girls.
I need help putting the scarf on, everybody.
Are you ready to go?
Yes!
Let me see what you have on.
Mom,
Your
these
glove.
snow pants,
Excuse me.
These,
Yeah. And your snow pants.
and I don't.
Okay. Let me see you, Kennedy. Cause we have to get you. Let's see. Show everybody what you have on. You ready to go out? Here's Kennedy. Are you ready to go?
No, she don't got
Snow pants and a hat. Okay.
So,
Are you ready for the snow? Are you ready for the snow, Kennedy? Say yay! Yay! Let's go. Let's go outside. It's snowing. It's a blizzard. Bye-bye. Okay, have fun. Go on, girl.
If I say you to stop screaming one more time.
There's the family outside. Zoe's over there on the slide. This is funny. A couple of minutes ago, we saw somebody snowboarding down the street. This is a huge main street here, so we live on a corner lot. But yeah, so much snow. Somebody was going down the street in a snowmobile. That was hilarious. Here's Dad. Here's my honey. Look like they're having fun. Can't see it, but Zoe's doing a snow angel right now. This is our front door, which is absolutely hilarious. This is the snow. And my husband is having to remove the snow because it's so high.
Big!
And the girls want to go outside and play. I hope y'all can really get the feel of how ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous this is. This is our front porch.
Looking stupid.
Kennedy, leave it alone, sweetie. Okay?
No! Don't you! Hush it up.
Don't you dare. He got some of it removed. There are his legs. There's the snow. Fun in the snow. The kids are outside with Dad. In the snow. He's still trying to remove it. Kennedy not going nowhere. She's like, oh, Dad. Zoe having a good time. There's Kennedy. She don't like that. Look at Kennedy. Oh goodness. My car. It's almost